today I wanted to just create a quick video on something that I think is pretty neat, which is that the MyOS personal OKR framework has now actually been adopted into the Notion template gallery, the official Notion template gallery. So now if you go here on myos.so, if you go to Get MyOS and then MyOS for Notion, this will actually take you to the page in the template gallery. And I think this just is really fun that they've looked at this, said, yes, this is good enough to put into the gallery, and allowed more people to find this content. It took a couple months for it to get approved, but here it is. And so it's now officially in the gallery as of this morning. So thank you everyone that has helped with this and supported this thus far. Again, if you want to download or duplicate this template into your Notion instance, you can either select duplicate template, or if you want to preview the template, you can go in here and actually preview what is in the MyOS template. So again, thank you everyone so much. I just think this is pretty cool that it's actually in the template gallery now, and wanted to make sure that I could share that with everyone. So I hope everyone has a great day. Cheers.